Yo, what up everybody, this is TM, and today I'm going to show you how you can access the internet even if you do not have a mobile internet data plan. It's going to be pretty simple, stay tuned. So a lot of people have been asking me and sending me messages asking how to trick the carrier and all of that, and also about using VPN. Well, I'm just going to give you a quick explanation of what VPN is. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network, and it's basically when you transfer files, when you upload and access websites, it basically hides that information. It's basically you are here and you're trying to access this website, and it creates some sort of a tunnel between you and that website or that server, and well, basically that hides the information, the files and all of that from other people around you. And well, basically that's it. It's a virtual private network. It's way more secure than using the normal internet access, and basically that's it. And with that you can actually if, for example, if you are on a Wi-Fi network that does not allow you to access that website, or if your country does not let you access some sort of a website, any website, you can use VPN to access that not allowed website. And basically that's it. It creates a private virtual network. And well, and a lot of you have been asking me, can you trick the carrier to have more internet mobile plan? Can you do that? Unfortunately, the answer is no. You cannot do that, but there's another way that I'm going to show you right now, and it's a pretty simple way. But well, first of all, let me just explain you why you can't. Because every time that you go over here and turn on the internet data, the mobile data, it will connect to the carrier, and everything you do, if you go to Google, if you go to YouTube, watch my videos, basically everything you do will pass through the carrier and then to the website you are accessing. Imagine I'm watching my video on YouTube. Basically, I'm going to YouTube, and this information, well, now I'm not using my, okay, so I'm using my mobile data right now. It's over there. Right now, the information that I'm going through right now is basically going through the carrier and then going to YouTube to watch my video. Basically, so you cannot trick it, because they are counting the amount of megabytes that you are using. So if you have a limited data plan, well, that's bad. That's basically why you're watching the video, because you have a limited mobile data plan, just like I do. For example, right now I think I have 85 megabytes. That's right, I have 85 megabytes. That's not a lot of internet. That basically you cannot watch a video with that. But well, don't worry, because today I'm going to show you how you can have access without spending mobile data. So, are you ready? Let's go for it. So first of all, to do this, sorry, but you're gonna have to need, first of all, a Wi-Fi network. For example, just go to your place, your home, or anywhere else that has Wi-Fi, and all you gotta do, connect to your Wi-Fi, and then go to Play Store and search for Wi-Fi map. Go ahead, and it's Wi-Fi map passwords. That's the first one on the list. Just go ahead, install that, and then open it up. I also recommend you to turn on location, and then it's pretty simple. This is the internet that I'm connected, and you can also you can add your internet by clicking here and basically sharing your Wi-Fi password with the world. And for example, if you click here, it will go to your location. But first, let's imagine that I'm in New York, for example. Let's take, for example, the United States. Let's go to New York. And you can go here to this place and download, for example, go to your country. Let's go to the United States, for example. Okay, United States over here, and for example, you have the top cities: New York, Los Angeles, Miami. For example, this costs about 80 cents of dollar, but well, you do not have to pay. You only pay if you want to download it and have all the Wi-Fi hotspots downloaded to use them offline. So basically, this is just to download them, and you do not need to access the internet to get the password. But you do not need to do that, because, for example, if I'm in New York, I can go over here, zoom in, or click over there to get my location. But because I'm not in New York, I'm just going to zoom in, and for example, you have a lot of Wi-Fi's here. Well, this is a residential area. Let's just go a bit over here. For example, you will see that you have Wi-Fi's all over the place. So pretty much anywhere you're at, you will have a Wi-Fi hotspot, and it will also connect automatically, and notifications are enabled, so you can be notified with Wi-Fi next to you, passwords and all of that. So basically it will say, hey, there's a Wi-Fi right here, do you want to connect? Just say yes, and you have Wi-Fi connection, you have internet connection without using your mobile data. That is if you downloaded some of the top cities are paid, but pretty much all of the others are free. So there's a lot of free ones, but you do not necessarily need to download that offline. You can just, for example, let's turn off Wi-Fi. Now I do not, well, because I was here, I now have the Wi-Fi's saved, but I can go over here, I can turn on my mobile data just for a second to get the Wi-Fi hotspots, and then when I have them, just turn off the mobile data. Let's just turn it off. Okay, and now I have the password. Let's connect to this one, or let's connect to this one, or to this one. Pretty simple. It will give you the password. For example, this one is an open Wi-Fi. There's no password. But let's check out this one. Okay, this is also Wi-Fi, open Wi-Fi. Let's see if we can get a password one, a secure one. Let's see. This is also Tom's Pizza. Okay, so for example, the Tommy's Pizza Wi-Fi, that's the password, DD Guest Wi-Fi. So you have the passwords, all of the passwords over here, and you can share other passwords with users around the world. And that's basically it. So well, now you have internet access wherever you're at. So thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, comment in the comment section below if you liked the video, and also if you're using this app already, or if you're going to, and if it worked for you. So well, that's it. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Facebook, add me on Facebook as a friend. I just created about 2 weeks ago, or about that. So add me as a friend there, and that's basically it. So subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next video. This was TM, and I'm out.
I followed roads that won't take me home. Believe me to from among those crowds.